guys, welcome back to my channel and Merry Christmas. I'm so excited for Christmas. I can't believe it's Christmas already. I've got my Christmas penguin top on. So today's video is going to be my Christmas makeup tutorial 2025. I do this every year on my channel, and this year is going to be a classic Christmas makeup tutorial because I'm going to do a classic red lip. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so I'm starting off with a serum. This is the L'Oreal Revitalift Filler Hyaluronic Acid Serum. And I'm using my e.l.f. small stipple brush to blend this in. So I like to be nice and hydrated on Christmas Day, so I always start off with a serum. However, I also use a really good primer then afterwards, because I don't know about you, but on Christmas Day, it's a long day. Like, we're up super early, the makeup is on super early, and you're up really late. Sometimes I do like 16 hours, 17 hours of makeup on Christmas Day. So I need it to last all day. So I'm going to use a really good primer. This is the Rimmel Lasting Finish 48 Hour Hydration Boost Faced Plumping Primer. I just find this to be a really good hydrating and long lasting primer. So I'm going to use the same brush to apply this. Now for foundation, I want a long-lasting foundation. So this is the Revolution IRL Filter Longwear Foundation Breathable Soft Matte in the shade F1. This is a very long-lasting foundation. It's also quite full coverage and it is matte. So Christmas Day gets a little bit hot. My face tends to sweat on Christmas Day, especially with the Christmas jumpers being on. The cooking in the kitchen, not that I cook in the kitchen, thankfully, my parents and my in-laws cook, but being in that atmosphere, the heating's always on, like it's hot, so my face tends to sweat. So I need like a matte foundation to control some of that oil. Even though I have dry skin, this is a good matte foundation. It is suitable for all skin types. It's not super drying or cakey because I do have really dry skin. So like I said, this is in the shade F1 and I'm going to be applying this with my LA Girl makeup sponge. Okay, so I've done this sort of medium coverage. However, you can do another layer to build it up to full coverage. I don't particularly need full coverage. It's not a party. It's just a Christmas Day makeup look for me. If you do want to make it a party look, then obviously add the glam, add the extra coverage if you want to. So now I'm going to go on to contouring. So I'm using this e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand Contour in the shade Fair/Light. Then I'm going to use my Morphe M436 brush to blend this in, and I'll use the same sponge on top of that then as well. Now I'm going to use a little bit of colour corrector underneath my eyes. This is the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Colour Correcting Concealer, and this one is in the shade Pink. I'm going to use the same sponge then to blend this in. That really does make a huge difference then before putting concealer on. So now I'm going to use the matching concealer to the foundation. This is the Revolution IRL Filter Finish Soft Matte Concealer in the shade C1. Again, I'm using the same sponge to blend this in. Now I'm going to set my face using this Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder in the shade Transparent. And I'm going to use my Morphe G35 brush to set my eye area first. Then I'm using my Morphe E2 brush to set the rest of my face. So I don't need much powder because, like I said, I have dry skin and this is a matte foundation, so I just put a little bit of powder on, but you do need to set your face with powder to make sure it lasts throughout the day. So now I'm going to move on to bronzer. I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer, and I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Powder Brush to apply it. Now for blush, I'm using the NYX Buttermelt Blush, and this one is in the shade You Know Butter. This is very bold, however, I thought for Christmas, we'll give it a go. So I'm using the IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Blush Brush, and I'm going in with a light hand because this does come out quite pigmented. The good thing about this blush as well, it also has a natural highlight built into it. But I am going to be going on top of that with another highlighter. So I'm using the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek Highlighter in the shade Lunch Money. And I'm using my Sigma Tapered Highlighter F35 brush to apply this just a little bit on top. And that just gives me a little bit of sparkle, a little bit of glow. Now I'm going to move on to my eyes, so let's zoom you in. Okay, I want to keep it simple, I want to keep it classic because let's be honest, on Christmas Day, who wants to spend hours doing their makeup? Not me. So I want something quick, I want something simple, I want something easy that still looks nice. Because the focus today is going to be my lips. So we're going to go simple, we're going to go basic. So this is the Colourpop Day to Bay Pressed Powder Eyeshadow Palette. This is what it looks like. Now to start with, I'm going to go in with this shade here, which is called Gotta Do It, on my Morphe R37 brush, and I'm popping that through the crease. Now I'm going in with this slightly darker shade. It's called Truth or ... and I'm using my Morphe G16 brush. I'm going to pop this on the outer corners and blend it through. And then using that original brush and the original shade, and I'm going to blend it all through together. I'm then using those same colours then on my lower lash line using my Morphe E18 brush. Now I think I'm going to leave it like that because I want it to be a matte look. I don't want any glitter or anything, I literally just want a plain matte eye look. So I'm going to set my face using this Collection Dewy Setting Spray. Now for eyebrow gel, I'm using this 17 Brow and Lash Lamination Clear Eyebrow Mascara. Then for eyeliner, I'm using this NYX Epic Wear Liner Stick in the shade Deepest Brown. Now for mascara, I'm using this Essence Lash Princess Curl and Volume Mascara, and I'm using my Tweezerman Eyelash Curlers first. Okay, now finally time for the lips. So I'm going in with a lip liner first. This is the NYX Lip Liner in the shade Hot Red. Now I'm very scared about this, but I have used this many times before, but I'm still scared. So this is the Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Creeper. This is ultra matte, like it's a nightmare to get on, it's a nightmare to get off. So yeah, wish me luck. Okay, so this is the final look. This is my Christmas makeup tutorial 2025. Classic red, classic matte lip, classic matte eyes. Just a classic Christmas makeup tutorial. So I hope that you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!